Welcome to a quick guide on enabling access to your call logs for WhatsApp. If you've ever wondered why WhatsApp can't show your recent calls or why a feature isn't working, this simple update will have you back on track in minutes. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device's permissions and preferences live, so you'll want to start here. From the main menu, look for Apps or Applications and tap into that section. This is where you manage every app's behavior on your device. Next, scroll through the list of installed apps until you find WhatsApp, then select it. You'll land on a screen that displays all the app's permissions and data usage. Here's where you'll customize what WhatsApp can access on your device to ensure it functions the way you expect. Tap Permissions to see a clear list of things WhatsApp can request access to. Each permission controls a different aspect of the app's capabilities. You're aiming for call logs, so locate that option in the list. Tap Call Logs to open its settings. You'll see the choice to allow or deny. To enable WhatsApp to access your call history, select Allow. If you've previously denied it, switching to Allow will grant the app the access it needs to display or log calls properly. With permission granted, you can return to WhatsApp and test the feature you were trying to use. Open WhatsApp, navigate to a chat or calls section, and check if your call logs appear and function as expected. If something still isn't showing up, try refreshing the app by closing it completely and reopening, or restarting your phone to ensure the new setting takes effect. If you encounter any trouble, double check that you followed each step exactly and that you chose the correct app in settings. Sometimes a typo or selecting the wrong permission can keep things from updating correctly. Also confirm you're on the latest app version, as updates often include permission handling fixes. That's all there is to enabling access to call logs for WhatsApp. A few taps and you'll regain full visibility and control over your call history within the app.